Hello everyone, I'm Lisa from Kanta Aesthetic. In today's video, we'll be focusing on the 808nm diode laser hair removal LitePro. This machine is a powerful tool for permanent hair removal, and will show you how to properly set up and operate it. Whether you're a first-time user or looking to improve your technique, this video will provide all the necessary information to ensure you achieve the best results. Let's get started. The 808nm diode laser hair removal system operates on the principle of selective photothermolysis. It optimizes the wavelength, energy, and pulse duration of the laser to target hair follicles through the skin. The heat absorbed by the follicles causes their destruction, ensuring hair removal. The system features rapid cooling technology, with the handle cooling down to -10 degrees Celsius, making the process not only safe and efficient but also virtually painless. The system's laser emits light at a wavelength of 808 nanometers, which is easily absorbed by melanin in the hair follicles, leading to their permanent destruction. The hair shaft also absorbs this energy, causing it to disintegrate and vaporize, thereby helping to completely and permanently remove excess hair. A notable feature of this machine is its internal hardware made of aluminum alloy, which enhances the durability of the instrument and provides better protection for the core components against accidental damage. This is the main body of our machine. This is the machine's display screen and switch. On the side is the socket for the handle holder. The back of the machine has two fans. Do not obstruct the fans during use. This is the handle socket. This is the water inlet. This is the overflow outlet. This is the power switch. This is the power cord socket. This is the drainage outlet. Upon receiving the machine, we start with the water filling process. The machine must be filled with water before it can be started. Remove the cap of the overflow outlet. This is the water funnel. Connect the water hose. Remove the cap of the water inlet, press around the circle and pull hard to open. Insert the funnel. Start adding water, which should be pure water, free of impurities. It generally takes 6 to 8 liters to fill. Continue filling until water comes out of the overflow outlet, indicating that the machine is fully filled with water. Connect a short pipe to the overflow outlet, keeping it open. Then screw the cap back on the water inlet. Note, the overflow outlet must remain open. If you need to change the water, open the cap of the drainage outlet to drain the water. If the machine is used frequently, it is recommended to change the water every half month. Align and install the handle holder. Place the handle on the holder. Then connect the handle to the socket at the back. Ensure the installation is secure. Connect the machine's power cord. This is the machine's spare fuse. Turn on the power switch. Start the machine. Rotate the red button on the front of the machine. Click the lower right corner to enter the operating page. Here you can select the user's gender, skin color, and treatment area. The upper left corner displays the operation's skin color, gender, and area. The lower left corner displays the handle head's cooling level. We need to adjust it to 5 snowflakes. The bottom status bar shows the machine's water circulation system, cooling system, power, internal temperature, and number of operations. On the right, we can adjust the pulse width, frequency, and energy parameters. These are the start and stop buttons. The parameter range for pulse width is 1 to 20, with recommended parameters being 10 to 12. The recommended parameters for frequency are 2 to 3. The parameter range for energy is 1 to 50, with recommended parameters being 25 to 30. Adjust the energy level according to the customer's tolerance. Click Start to activate the handle. We can see that the outside of the handle head has frosted over, indicating that the handle's cooling function is active. Return to the previous page, where we can also try selecting other treatment areas. Select Skin Type 3 and Leg Hair Removal for males. Return to the main page. Press the red button on the front of the machine. Turn off the machine. That concludes the setup and page operation of the machine. And now for the actual operation demonstration. First, apply the gel evenly to the treatment area. Then turn on the handle, set the parameters, and start the hair removal treatment on the targeted area. Thank you for watching our demonstration of the 808 nanometers Diode Laser Hair Removal LitePro. I hope this video has helped you understand how to effectively set up and use your laser, ensuring your clients receive the safest and most effective treatment. If you have any questions or need more insights, please comment below or visit our website at cantaesthetic.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. I'm Lisa, and I can't wait to see how this tool transforms your practice. See you next time.